Welcome members in today's lesson. Today, this is the second lesson about series. You can look through the first lesson in those videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, in the first lesson you saw, the first term is given by this, the second term, the third term, and so on. Also the last term is also given by this. Where is the first term? This is the common difference. Now we are going to see the sum of n terms of an AP. If we have n terms, so the sum of n terms will be those terms over 2, the n terms, then a plus the last term. This is the first formula. If you want to get sum of the n terms, the second is here. You know that now this L, if we put our L from here, our L we say this. So when we put where this L, we put the L, you get to A. So this is the second formula. You can either use this or this depending on the situation. So we are going to see these examples. First example is the second term of an AP is 4 and the fourth term is 10. Find the first term and the common difference, sixth and nth term, then the sum of the first 7 terms. So that's how we have this. Remember one. They are telling us that the second term, so U2, they are telling us is 4. And the same guys are telling us that the first term, U4, is 10. But from here, we know how we get the terms. The second term is always A plus B. They are telling us that it is 4. Then the fourth term is always A plus 3B, which is 10. From the previous lesson, you know how we are generating these ones. So if I call this an equation 1, and I call this equation 2, I need the first term and the common difference. They are here. I have 2 unknowns and 2 simultaneous 2 equations, so I can solve them. So you see that if I say 2 minus 1, I have A. If I subtract them, this will be 0, 3d minus d equaling to 6. So from here, I start my d is 3. If my d is 3, if I put here a 3 and I take it the other side, it's that my a is 1. So to get the 60th term, you know my 60th term will be a plus. If this is 6, I get 6 minus 1. Get the coefficient of D. My A is 1 plus 5 into common difference is 3. So see that this one will be 15 plus 1, which will be 16. Now I come to the 9th term. My U9 will be A plus, you get 9 minus 1, you get a coefficient of D. So my A, we have seen is 1, then plus 8 into our D is 3. And this one gives you, this is 24 plus 1, which is 25. So they want also the sum of the 7 terms. So it means that from here, our n is 7. So the terms are 7. So it's that we don't have the last term, so we can't use this formula. So we are going to opt for this. So my sum n, now my n, a matter of substituting, this will be now n is 7, so the terms are 7. The terms and the 7 terms are different. So we are having n terms, the 7 terms. My a is 1, then plus 7 minus 1 times 3. Okay, let us see what we get. This is 7 minus 1. That's 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 2, that's 20. 20 times 7, you get 140. Divide by 2, you get 70. So their sum is 70. So if you get 7 terms of this area, you add as their sum. Now when you come to number 2, they are giving us the series. Then they ask us, find the common difference, the first term and last term. From here now, we start this series. Now this one is ending, so this one is called always our term. So our first term A is 5 because it's the first year. The common difference we get D is equal to 2. You get this minus this, which will make 2, or you can get this minus this to give you the same thing. So our last term, from here is that our last term. So now this series is ending at this term. So we are not adding anything. So this one is ending at this. So meaning that this is our last term as at 5. So Roman numeral 1 is done. Roman numeral 2 the 65th term. Okay. So the 65th term, which is U5, it will be, adding the 65th term, U6 will be U plus, get the coefficient of D, you get this, the nth term minus 1, which is 5. Now which will be A. Our first term is 5 plus 5 into D, and this term will be 12 plus 5. I mean this will be 5 times 2, that's 10, plus 5, that is 15. Also the 11th term, U11 will be A plus 11 minus 1, 10D, which will be 5 plus 10 into 2. This will be 20 plus 5, which will be 25. So I'm done with that. So they are asking me Roman numeral 3, this is Roman numeral 1, this is Roman numeral 2. In Roman numeral 3, they are asking me the number of terms. Now, in this question, they never gave us, in this one, they gave us the number of terms. Now, this one, not the number of terms, but we need the last term. Now you come and you check. In the format to get the last term, we always have the number of terms. The last term, we have it, we have the common difference, we have also the first term. So from here, because I know my last term is given by n minus 1 into d is equal to n, I want the number of terms. The number of terms is always n. So I know this, and this, and this, I want this. So you substitute. My n is 5. The n I don't know. Then d, from here my d is 2, is equal to the last term, which is 5. When I take this 5 the other side, I will subtract 2 into n minus 1 equal to, when you get this 5 and take that side, I'll be having 30. So from here, divide by 2, you have 15. When you take that side, so that your n comes 16. This will divide by 2, be having 15. Then you take this will be now plus 1, which will give you that. Then they want and hence their sum. So you know that the terms are 16, so you want their sum. So our sum. Now here, because we have the last term, you don't need to use this formula. You can easily use this because we have the last term. So here I know that my number of terms are 16 over 2 into the first term A, which is 5, plus the last term, which is at 5. And this will be, this is 8 into, when I add these two, I get 40. 5 plus that 5, that's 40. So 8 times 40. So it's that the sum of 16 terms will be 320. So wait for the next lesson. We are going to lesson 3. We are going to go deep into this. You can try more examples using these ideas. I wish you the best. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.